This week's Safety Step Toolbox talk is about taking a 450-ton crane, an engineered man basket rated for 1,200 pounds, putting a tradesman in the man basket, lifting him up 330 feet to the top of this skyscraper building, and taking down a flagpole that is leaning toward the street I'm standing on. We're going to drill a hole in the top third of that flagpole, and we're going to rig it with a steel choker and a nylon sling 20 feet long, and then this crane is going to put tension on that flagpole, lower our tradesmen to the roof deck, bring the man basket back down to the ground, and then our three-person team up on top will cut the base of the flagpole. They'll lift it and bring it down to ground level. So this has a horde of pre-planning done by our crane company, Work Zone Safety, who set up barricades all the way up and down this highway, the city of Chicago requiring permits. Early this morning we did a pre-planned task with our crew, and prior to the completion of the mobilization of the crane, prior to our men getting in the man basket, the crew and the crane people will all get together and perform a final communication pre-task plan, and then we'll begin the mobilization of this process. A lot of pre-planning here. Very dangerous task taking place here. I've checked the annual inspection for the crane, the operator's credentials, and I've checked the certification of the personnel hoist. We're all in compliance with OSHA standards as written. We have Bill Grice, our superintendent, in the engineered man basket. We've done the proof test of 125%, where we brought the man basket to the flagpole and held it for 5 minutes. Bill has got all the equipment in the man basket with him. They're going to drop Bill and the man basket now on the roof, unload the equipments that are not necessary to rig the flagpole, where our other superintendent, Keith, is going to get in the man basket, and both of them will start to rig the flagpole. I didn't mention in the first video that we hired a third party to do a ground bearing test on this bolted sidewalk out here to support this crane system. So we understand that this is bolted, and we do have an engineered drawing specifically laying out where the crane can be set to handle the capacity of what we're doing here in this 370-foot boom. We've got Bill, we've got Keith. They're tied off 5,000-pound anchor points. This has got an independent bridle to the headache ball, this engineered personnel hoist. Our objective here now is to swing them up to the top third of this flagpole. They're going to drill a hole through it, rig it with a 1/2-inch steel cable, U-bolt it, shackle it, and drop a nylon sling down to the base. Once that is all complete, the man basket once again will be dropped, the men will get out, and our objective then will be to cut the base of the flagpole while it's being tensioned by the crane. This is a 50-foot flagpole. It weighs 2,000 pounds. We are going to be drilling in at about 330 feet above ground level while elevated off the side of the building in this engineered man basket. We're 350 feet in the air. We've cut the 50-foot flagpole loose. It's rigged and taut. We're releasing our attachment here on the base. We've released our guy straps, and we're about to take this 50-foot, 1-ton flagpole 350 feet in the air over the side of the building now and lower it down on the street of the city. Our team on the ground has shut down all vehicular and pedestrian traffic. We're watching out here for crush by pinch points with our tradesmen in front, 2 guys off to the side. We've got communication directly to the operator via superintendent over here. And we are now beyond the parapet wall, and he is booming down. Job done safely, effective pre-planning. Nice job.